Hi, I'm Mac with P&P Engineering, and today we're going to show you how to install our transfer case skid on the second gen Nissan Xterra and Frontier 2005 and newer. The parts and procedure are the same for the Xterra and the Frontier, with the slight difference of the second piece is longer for the Frontier, shorter for the Xterra. Otherwise, the procedure and the hardware is the same. The parts that you will need and receive are the transfer case skid parts. You'll need a 14mm wrench and socket and a 13mm socket. You'll receive 3 metric bolts to install the front of the transfer case skid front piece, 3 carriage bolts to attach the 2 separate pieces, and 2 through bolts to attach the second piece to the drive shaft hoop in the back of the Xterra and the Frontier. We sell all our skids in 3/16 steel or 1/4 inch aluminum. So let's go ahead and take this over and get it on the truck. So we're ready to install our transfer case skid. Because this is a Pro 4X model, you'll want to remove your factory skid plate if you've got it. You've got 5 bolts up here at the front. Just drop those. We'll use the 3 rearmost of these locations to bolt our skid up. Okay, then we'll attach our rear piece to our rear drive shaft hoop. Front of the rear piece will go on top of the main body, so that dragging a rock can't peel it away. You got 2 open holes in your drive shaft hoop. You need to fish washers and nuts into. We've got both of these bolts running finger tight, enough to hold the weight. We're going to put our connection bolts in here and then tighten everything down. We're going to use carriage bolts here so that you have a rounded head on the bottom. Now that the carriage bolts are installed in the connection piece, we're going to go back through and tighten down all of our bolts, and the installation will be complete.